Alaikum. Hello dear students, I hope you will be fine, happy and healthy today. Today we are going to begin presentation 6, giving reason. Wujuhat dena. Reason mean wujuhat. So they have page number 68 hai. Use because to give the reason or cause of something. जब हम किसी चीज़ की रीज़न वजह बताना चाहता है या काज भी वजह को कहते हैं बताना चाहते हैं तो वी यूज़ बिकॉज. सेंटेंस नंबर 1 से Lisa had problem with her teeth because she didn't take care of them. वजह ये थी कि she didn't take care of them, so she had problem. लीसा को मसले थी इनके दांतों में. The second one says Gino's happy because he doesn't have any cavity. Gino's happy है, वजह क्या है, रिजल्ट क्लास क्या है, रिजल्ट क्लास ये है कि Gino's happy है और रीज़न क्लास क्या है, रीज़न ये है कि because he doesn't have any cavities. And the third sentence says Liz isn't happy because she doesn't like her job. रीज़न ये है कि शी डजंट लाइक हर जॉब, तो रिज़ल्ट ये है कि शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी या शी इज़ अनहैप्पी. लिज इज़ अनहैप्पी. So in this activity, dear students, we are talking about because. Actually, because in grammar point of view is a subordinating conjunction. Conjunction है, हरफियातब है, दो जुमले आपस में मिला लेते हैं, ये वही conjunction है. We have discussed it in part of speech in detail. And then because is a subordinate conjunction. There are three type of conjunction: coordinate conjunction, subordinate conjunction, correlating conjunction. Then there were further types as well. If you are confused in conjunction, then go to the parts of speech playlist and study the conjunction. So we have discussed it in detail in 2-3 classes or lectures over there. So it is a subordinate conjunction, matahat conjunction है, and it is used with reason clause. आम तौर पर जब हम सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन या कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन की बात करते हैं और जब भी क्लास की बात आता है क्लास की, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जुमला या तो कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है या कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है, क्योंकि सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में क्लासेस नहीं होते हैं, वो बजाते खुद एक क्लास होता है सिंपल सेंटेंस. लेकिन when there is discussion about the clause, it means that the sentence is a compound sentence or complex sentence, right? So जहाँ तक बिकास का ताल्लुक़ है, so we use because with the subordinate clause. because वजह बताती है, right? It is used to join a reason clause with the result clause. और join reason clause जो है वजह वाला clause result clause के साथ join करता है. And it if because ये grammatical term है that that when because come in the beginning of the sentence, if because clause come first and result clause come late, so then a comma is used between them. अगर because clause का पहले आ जाए और result clause बाद में आ जाए तो फिर comma लगाया जाता है, and vice versa. और अगर रिजल्ट क्लास फर्स्ट आ जाए और बिकॉज क्लास लेटर में आ जाए तो फिर कामा नहीं लगाया जाता है. वॉइस वर्सा मीन इसके बराकस है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम कहें कि आई वाज एब्सेंट बिकॉज आई वाज एब्सेंट बिकॉज या आई वाज एब्सेंट बिकॉज आई वाज सिक, बिकॉज आई वाज सिक, क्योंकि मैं बीमार था इसलिए मैं एब्सेंट था. सो यहाँ पर कामा लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मेन रिजल्ट क्लास ये था कि मैं एब्सेंट था और रीज़न किया था इस एब्सेंटी की, मैं बीमार था, वजह ये था, तो रिज़ल्ट यही हुआ. आमतौर पर टू क्लास है, इस वन को रिज़ल्ट क्लास कहा जाता है और इसको रीज़न क्लास कहा जाता है, रीज़न और रिज़ल्ट. लेकिन अगर हम ये रीज़न क्लास पहले लगाए और रिज़ल्ट क्लास बाद में लगाए तो फिर वी नीड टू पुट अ कॉमा ओवर देयर. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी से बिकॉज आई वाज सिक, बिकॉज आई वाज सिक, then become I was absent. I was absent. Because I was sick, so I was absent. So then we should use comma, and if there is the result clause is first and because clause is late, so then there is no need of a comma. In the presentation also you can see Lisa had problem with her teeth because he didn't take care of them, so there is no comma in it because clause is later. But in the second one, Gino's happy because he doesn't have any cavities, and Liz is unhappy because she doesn't like her job. So usually the main class come first and the reason class come later. The result class come first and the reason class come later, and no comma is needed. But sometime if we use the reason class first, so then we should put a comma over here. And the next activity is about practice of this one, so let's begin it. It says that make sentences with because using one sentence from the first column and one from the second column. Use each sentence only once. The first one is done for you. So you see over here two column they have given. In the first column they have given the problem, and the second column they have given the reason. So let's combine it. The first sentence. Good. Lisa had a lot of cavities because she didn't take care of her teeth. L number is correct. Number two. Gloria isn't at school today because she's sick. O number, last one is correct. The third one. Ted wants a calculator because he likes to do math problem quickly. J number is correct. Fourth one. Lisa and Joyce walk to school because it's close to their home. N is correct. It's close to their school. Pipe number. Mike plays soccer because he likes it and it's a good exercise. So M is correct. Six number. Bob went to the dentist because he had a toothache. Because he had a toothache. GA1 is correct. We should put G over here. Next one. Yeah, the Tigers won yesterday because they played well. So C is correct. Next one. Yeah, Tom sold his big car because it used too much gas. A is correct. Next one. The Youngs ate in a restaurant last night because they didn't want to cook. H is correct. Next one. Sakila went to the doctor because she wasn't feeling well. So D is correct. 11 number. I left the party early because it was boring. K1 is correct. It was boring. Next one. He jumped from the window because the building was on fire. E number is correct. So next one. Sam can't go to the movies because he had to study. He had to study. उन्हें study करना है, exam है उनका. 14 number. Lisa was complaining because she was nervous about her checkup. I is correct. The last one. Ted can't answer the question because he didn't do the homework. Because F number is correct, because he didn't do the homework. So you see, dear students, on the one hand a result clause are given, and on the other hand reason clause are given, and you have to combine both the clauses with the help of conjunction or subordinate conjunction because, and in this way you will make one sentence. And the practice session says there is a practice that why did Lisa have a lot of cavities? Lisa के बहुत से cavities क्यों थे? Good, because she ate a lot of because she ate a lot of candies. अगर हम यही क्वेश्चन फिर कर ले तमाम, द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, why didn't Gloria at school today? Because she was sick. राइट, बिकॉज शी वॉज सिक. तो इसी तरह आप जब वाई में हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो जवाब फिर बिकॉज में देते हैं. अगर हम थर्ड क्वेश्चन कर लें, वाई डिड टेड वांट अ कैलकुलेटर? गुड, बिकॉज ही लाइक्स टू डू मैथ प्रॉब्लम. और अगर हैबिचुअल क्वेश्चन में हम ये कर ले तो डस के साथ फिर कर लेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाई डू लीसा एंड जॉयस वॉक टू स्कूल? वो स्कूल को आदतन क्यों जाते हैं, पैदल जाते हैं. तो क्यों जाते हैं? बिकॉज एट क्लोज टू देयर होम. और अगर पाइप क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डज माइक प्ले सॉकर? Good, because he like it and it's a good game for exercise. So you can ask question about the past, about the present, about habitual, about future in the palm up why, and you can answer in the palm up because. So try, dear student, to read it again and again in order to get complete command upon it and in order to learn it very, very well. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.